Welcome to this explainer. Today, we're breaking down the two absolute titans of website building in 2026. Look, choosing the right platform is honestly one of the most critical decisions you'll make for your online presence, and we're here to help you confidently figure out exactly which one aligns with your digital ambitions.
So, the really crucial question we're answering today is a fascinating one. Do you invest in the seamless, heavily managed simplicity of artificial intelligence? Or do you need the absolute, unbridled control of open-source architecture? It's no longer a simple battle of good versus bad. It's all about your specific intent.
Here's our agenda for comparing these giants. First, the 2026 landscape. Second, setup and ease of use. Third, design and commerce. Fourth, under the hood. And fifth, the final verdict. Let's dive in. Section 1. The 2026 landscape. On one side of the ring, we have WordPress. And just to be clear, we mean the self-hosted software from WordPress.org. That 43% you're looking at, that is the portion of the entire web currently powered by WordPress. It's wild. It is the unrivaled king of open-source flexibility, giving you 100% control over every single line of code and every byte of data on your site. On the flip side, we have Wix, a fully hosted, all-in-one builder. And listen, Wix is completely evolved from a basic drag-and-drop tool into a seriously sophisticated platform. Now, in 2026, it's driven by its incredible AI website builder. You can literally just give it a simple text description and it'll generate an entire, fully functional site. Custom layout, content, images, the whole shebang.
Okay, moving on to Section 2, Setup and Ease of Use.
The divide in user experience here is super stark. Wix basically offers a completely flat learning curve. Through an AI-powered questionnaire, you can legitimately be live in under 10 minutes with zero technical overhead. It's a true drag-and-drop canvas. WordPress, however, is going to require a bit more elbow grease. You're looking at 30 to 60 minutes just to get started because you have to actually go out, purchase hosting, install the software, and get it configured.
Section 3. Design and commerce. The big takeaway for design boils down to commitment versus flexibility. Wix hooks you up with over 900 professionally polished templates that are incredibly easy to visually edit. But, and this is a big but, once you pick one, you are locked in. You can't switch without rebuilding your content. WordPress, conversely, offers unlimited switchable themes. Thanks to its Gutenberg Phase 3 site editor, you get massive code-free customization, and you can swap your entire theme whenever you want without losing a single blog post. Now, when we talk about adding features, the scale shifts dramatically. Take a second to think about this number, 60,000. That is the staggering scale of the WordPress official free plugin directory. There is a plugin for virtually anything you can dream up. Advanced learning management systems, complex memberships, multi-language support. Seriously, you name it, someone has built it. By contrast, Wix takes a different approach. They curate a seamless app market of about 500 apps covering e-commerce, bookings, and marketing. They integrate flawlessly with just one click. It is incredibly safe, incredibly easy. But you are limited strictly to what Wix decides to provide. If you have a highly unique niche requirement, WordPress gives you infinite scalability. With Wix, you simply can't build a custom feature yourself. Selling online? The trade-offs are pretty clear-cut. Wix eCommerce gives you a completely stress-free, unified dashboard with zero transaction fees if you use Wix payments. It's honestly perfect for small to medium stores. But if you're looking to build a massive digital operation, WooCommerce for WordPress is the most popular e-commerce platform on the web for a reason. You're getting limitless scalability, thousands of payment gateways, and the power to handle complex tax setups or even multi-vendor marketplaces.
All right, Section 4, Under the Hood.
Both platforms offer really solid SEO foundations today. However, Wix gives you an easy, automated assistant, the Wix SEO Whiz, which essentially generates a personalized checklist that comfortably covers about 90% of what most local businesses need. WordPress, armed with heavyweight plugins like Yoast or Rank Math, grants you surgical, granular control. We're talking editing robots.txt, fine-tuning server performance for core web vitals, and implementing advanced schema markup. It's exactly what you need to outrank competitors in the absolute toughest niches. This whole philosophy extends directly to maintenance, too. With Wix, for performance, CDN caching, SSL certificates, and DDoS protection are all fully managed behind the scenes. It's completely invisible. You never have to worry about an update breaking your site. WordPress definitely gives you the freedom to build a blazing fast site, but the burden is squarely on you. You, or your chosen host, must actively manage security, keep core files updated, and constantly optimize your own speeds. Naturally, pricing reflects these distinct approaches. Wix operates on highly predictable, all-inclusive subscription tiers. It scales up from a totally free version, which does have Wix branding, through their Lite and Core plans, all the way to the Business Elite tier at about $119 a month. Hosting, security, and 24/7 direct customer support are all baked right into that single predictable monthly fee.
Conversely, the WordPress software itself is totally free, but your actual costs are highly variable. Actually, you're piecing together your own infrastructure. You have to pay for hosting, which could be anywhere from $3 a month for basic shared hosting up to $35 plus for managed hosting. Then add in domains, premium themes, plugins, maybe even developer hourly rates if you get stuck. A simple WordPress site might only cost you $50 a year, while a massive e-commerce setup could easily blow past $500 annually.
And finally, Section 5, the final verdict. Let's bring it all together.
You should absolutely choose Wix if you are an individual, a creator, or a small business owner who wants a truly professional site launched today with zero technical headaches. If you value an all-in-one ecosystem where AI handles the heavy lifting of design, where marketing tools are built right in, and you have the peace of mind of 24/7 direct customer support, Wix is an incredibly powerful, mature platform for you. However, you should definitely choose WordPress if your ambition is truly boundless. Because it was born as a blogging platform, its editorial workflow is just unmatched for content-heavy sites. If you're building a complex marketplace, a custom web app, if you need granular SEO control, and you demand total, uncompromised ownership over every pixel and byte of your data, without limits on future scalability, WordPress remains the undisputed champion.
Ultimately, the foundation you lay in 2026 determines exactly how far you can scale in the years to come, so choose wisely. For more, visit our website, Fair Solution. But before you build, ask yourself this one critical question. Are you optimizing your digital presence for immediate peace of mind today, or are you ready to master the tools that unlock absolutely unbridled potential for tomorrow?